With today's idioms and their origins, we are looking at the phrase, all rights reserved. With all of your rights being reserved, that means you are reserving or holding all copyrights of distribution, performance, or creation of your work and of derivative works. And this stems from Argentina in 1910, where the Buenos Aires Convention mandated that some form of statement of reservation must be made on any or all products or productions in order for the originator to maintain copyright. Now, this at this point in time was definitely in need because before this, anyone, anywhere could take your movie and redistribute it, take your book and reprint it, take your product and reproduce it as theirs. And as you can imagine, there was just so many infringement lawsuits that were going around through countries, so they had to do something. Now, the U.S. joins in 1955. Yes, that long time after. And in 1955, through an amendment, they adopt a shorthand copyright symbol for the phrase, which is a C with a circle around it. And then on August 23rd, 2000, Nicaragua becomes the final member signatory. And once they sign it, it makes the phrase obsolete, as now you're protected everywhere. It is automatically granted that you are infringing, so do not take somebody else's work. You are going to get sued.